Hi, my name is Shawn with SITEK Process Solutions, and today I'm going to show you how to change out in-to filter on a SRD. First, you're going to want to disconnect the lines that supply into the filter. Next, you're going to want to disconnect the quick connect fittings that attach to the 8 psi pressure switch. Then you can simply, if you have room, uninstall the whole filter with everything attached to it, or uninstall just the hardware that's attached to it by itself first. Next, you want to take your new filter, open the bag, and then you're going to want to install Teflon tape on the threads of both sides of the filter. A little bit harder on this side because of the drain plug on it. Next step is to take your filter and screw it into the stainless T that's attached to the heater manifold. When installing the in-to filter, you're going to want to make sure that you install the filter in the proper orientation with the flow arrow facing towards the in-to heater manifold and the cap on the front facing towards the in-to heater manifold as well. Screw it in until it's pretty snug. Don't overdo it because you don't want to break the filter. Next, you're going to want to attach the hardware or the T to the back side of the filter. Make sure it's snug as well. Reinstall the tubing to supply in-to the filter from the in-to valve. And then also reinstall all the quick connect fittings to the 8 psi switch for the heater cartridge. And that's how you install the in-to filter on an SRD.